Hello friend, welcome to the Take Virus. I am Soham Kestri. In this session, we will see matrix. Matrix is a two-dimensional data structure in R programming. Matrix is similar to a vector but additionally contains the dimension attribute. A matrix contains elements of same data type. We create a matrix using matrix function. Now see, we create a matrix of 9 elements with 3 number of rows. Write here a variable m is equals to matrix. Now write 9 element, number of rows, and write here by row is equals to true. Here we have defined a matrix having 9 elements 1 to 9. In this matrix there are 3 rows. The number of columns automatically create according to the elements and number of rows. In this case, number of column is 3. So we got a matrix of dimension 3 by 3. In this example, by row is equals to true is used to fill the matrix row wise. Now print this matrix. Run it. See, the matrix is filled row wise here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we want to fill the matrix column wise, then write false instead of true. Write here false. Now run it. See, the output is this matrix. The printed matrix is filled column wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In R, we can also put names of individual row and column. See, write here row names is equals to, we have 3 rows, so write here 3 names. Same for column. Now write here an attribute dim names is equals to make a list and pass here row names and call name. Now run it. See, the output matrix has name for each row and each column. R1, R2, R3 is name of rows and C1, C2, C3 is name of columns. Matrix gives us facility to access any element. If we want to access any element from an existing matrix, we can do it. See, if we want to access 5, then 5 is present in second row and second column. Write here matrix name and write row number and column number. Now run it. See, the output is 5. If we want to access 9, then write m pass here 3 3. See, the output is 9. We can also access a row. See, write m. Suppose we want to access second row, then write here 2 comma and run it. See, 2, 5, 8, which is second row. If we want to access a column, then write m, pass here 3, which access the third column, which is 7, 8, 9. See, the output is 7, 8, 9. We can also do arithmetic manipulation in matrix. Make two matrix. Erase it. Create a matrix N is equals to matrix, write here 9 element, suppose 11 to 19, write number of row and write by row is equals to true here. Now here printf, run this. See, this is M matrix and print here N matrix. Run it. This is N matrix. Now print the sum of M and N. M plus N. Run it. See, the output is addition of two matrices. 11 and 1 is 12. 12 and 4 is 16. 13 and 7 is 20. We can also subtract here. Write N minus M. Run it. See, the output is difference between two matrices. Okay. We can also multiply two matrices using multiply operator. Remember, multiply operator just multiply corresponding index element of two matrix. See, M multiply N. Print M. Now print N. Now run M multiply N. See, 1 multiply 11 is 11. 4 multiply 12 is 48. 7 multiply 13 is 91, and so on. In this session, we saw matrix. Thank you.